southwestern Johnson County in north-central Texas until 8:15 p.m. At 7:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Granbury, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleburne, Granbury, Joshua, Pecan Plantation, Gudley, Old Trail Shores, Tiller and Danetta South. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north-central Texas.